So yes, I am filming a little bit. I'm not gonna like do full on get the big camera out and such, but in fact it comes in.
Don't get me in the background. Sitting in
You need to hear you talking, but I'm not getting you in video. Yeah. Fair enough. Da-na-na-na. Oh, it's not that impressive opening it up because it's covered in stuff. Ah! It was a Ronin. So we got Raven Eye. All of the cables. Is there anything under the Ronin? No. What's in here? Oh. What's that? What on earth is that? Oh, it's the focus motor. So we've got focus motor, handle, battery tripod. There's the one of the plates. There's something else in here as well. Oh, it's the other. Yeah, it's the other plate. Ooh, it's weird. It's got like that. And in here we got focus rings. And no idea what that is. We'll find out. I think it's the thingy mount. Silicon gel packet. Rod for the focus motor. And that's the other plate. Yeah, okay. I think I've got it sussed as to what everything is. So yeah.